Yeah, hi, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Right now I'm heading to the gym. I know today should be leg day, so it's gonna get dangerous today, but I'm not really, well, anything is anything. I'm out here. I'm not really scared. I'm not scared of the gym. I actually love the gym, to be honest. So I'm gonna go do that real quick and then come back home, Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. We're out here. Baby girl, I can tell you a lie so good you don't even want to hear the truth sometimes. No lie. Yeah. Yo, summer is right around the corner. We're literally 1 month away because right now today is the 25th of April. So it's basically May. And then 1 month away it's June. So we're kind of in the summer right now, to be honest. Are you summer body ready? Because I am, I think. Yo, you see the scrub make my face feel so soft. I feel like I suffer from dry skin. And anything that I do to rehydrate my skin, right, it just helps in a major way, because my face is feeling so soft and hydrated right now, like a lot of nutrients in it. Yeah, and I'm happy for that. I'm in traffic. It's a red light. I'm on a red light. I'm heading to the gym right now. I'm kind of late. I should have been there from 9 o'clock. Told myself I want to go 9 o'clock, but the time is now 9:30. 9:34. The time is now 9:34, and I told myself I want to make it for 9 o'clock each morning, but I woke up late this morning. I went to my bed like 3 o'clock last night. I was up doing some stuff, editing a video. Yeah, so that's the reason. But it is what it is. I'm heading to the gym anyway, so yeah, check in with you when I'm finished working out. Alright. Yeah, so that's leg day today completed. With some arm curls. I was doing some laundry, did some curls with the 40 pound. I went up in weight today. It was kinda hard, but it was easy at the same time because I'm used to this. Nobody acts surprised because I'm used to this. No, man, Yeah, it wasn't that hard because I'm used to this for real, but it was hard, but it wasn't that hard. I'm gonna go home now, take a shower. Right now I'm sweating, soaked like I can squeeze my shirt out, to be honest. I'm gonna go home now, take a quick shower, consume my meal prep and chill a little bit, Yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, leave me a subscribe. I feel like Michael Jackson, moonwalking to the Calabasas. So I'm having my lunch right now. This is what I'm having. It's a regular meal prep. Right, some chicken, some sweet mashed potato with some broccolis. I made it myself. You proud of me? I can cook. Nah, man, I lie. So I'm gonna have my lunch now and just chill a little bit. Probably watch a YouTube video or something crazy like that, okay? Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what type of videos you want to see. I'm thinking of doing some public interviews, maybe some reactions. I don't know yet. Alright? Yeah, leave a like. Yeah, so I'm outside. This camera is good in low light. I'm outside. I'm just chilling because I just got to wake up. I want to get some fresh air. I think I need to sleep for long. I think I need to go to my bed early in the night time. I went to my bed like 3 o'clock last night. That's crazy. That's why I feel so tired right now, Yeah. But one of them things, you know? Yeah, so I'm just outside with it. Chilling in the trunk. Yeah, I'm about to go get some mangoes right now. Secure down my nerves, Because my nerves isn't settled for some reason. I don't know why. Because I slept short today. So I'm gonna go get some mangoes real quick, second on my nerves, Yeah, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Yeah, so I bought some things on Amazon. I placed an order. It hasn't shipped off yet or anything. I placed it from about Saturday, I think. I bought some things I bought some like ab roller and a mat so that I can have my at home look a gym setup. The internet is not connecting. I'll show you when I get back. I'm gonna buy some mangoes right now. Alright? Yeah. Yeah, so I just got my mangoes and I'm just looking out real quick, stretching my back and all of that, you know? Because I really come out the house, so I just gotta stay out the house for a bit, you know? This is where I'm at. I'm at the supermarket out at the shopping center. What do they call it? Luciana. Yeah, Los Suana. Lucian's supermarket. Lucian's. It's not Anna, it's Lucian's supermarket. That's where I'm at right now. I'm just chilling a little bit, you know? It's windy out, you know? Enjoying the breeze. Should have some water to wash out my mango. I could just eat a mango real quick and just peel back. Right now, I'm not a lot. Yeah. Stronger vibrations, some really nice foreign cars driving by. Yeah, there's Wendy's right there. It's crazy. I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna head back home though. Chill a little bit and then head home. Bro, let me tell you something. I don't know if you know, but you see in life, people are not gonna support your thing until you're already doing well, you know? Yeah. The support, you're never gonna get the support, that support that you need, but you see when it's time to say congratulations, yeah, you're gonna see a lot of people, so you gotta be careful of that, okay? Because I'm doing my YouTube and I don't really get the support. I know a lot of people I could have in my videos, but they don't really care to do that. You know? I don't know why, but I know when I'm famous, when I'm a superstar, then they're gonna wanna, you know, benefit from a superstar's lifestyle. But it is what it is. Ain't no complaining. We know that this is just life and people are not as real as they say they are. But I'm not judging them. It's a part of the life experience, I guess. So you can't really judge them. You just have to just know that it is what it is and keep it moving, okay? Yeah. Yeah, so it's time to do my traditional mango bite test. Whenever I buy some new mango, I normally bite it so that you can hear the sound of it. But before I do that, I want to ask you a question for people that have been in long relationships. I've never been in a relationship longer than 3 months. I can't make a comment on this question that I'm about to ask. But I'd like to ask you, what sense does it make to be in a relationship for 2 years for it to end and not go on to marriage or like kids or be together forever? What sense does it make? Right? You're just wasting your time, you know? You're just really wasting your time. You know that relationship wasn't going to work from the first 3 months. So what are you doing? Actually, what are you doing? Let me know in the comments. Let me know your thoughts on that. Or maybe you think it's going to work, or I don't know. So let me do my bite test right now. Sweet. I'm outside with it, bro. Came for a little walk. Just chilling. I'm outside. I'm knocking all the time. I'm at TJ right here, so. I'm just chilling, bro. Like a villain. You dig? It's been raining today, hard. So I just came out of the house in the night time right now. It's kind of cold. My muscles don't feel. I get big, you know. You don't know. So yeah, let me tell you a story about what happened to me last night real quick. I DM'd this girl, and some funny stuff. I wasn't even trying to get at her or anything, you know. It was just being funny. I was gonna try to get at her though, if I'm being honest. But she called me a lame. I was trying to be funny, and she replied, "You're lame like." You know what I'm saying? I'm really feeling some type of way about it, questioning myself. Am I really a lame nigga? Like, am I really a lame nigga? So what I want to say to you, don't let other people's insecurity try to get you down. Because I know I'm not a lame nigga. That girl probably was going through something that day. And this is why I don't really DM girls, bro. Because I always go on like them more for like style up on a level, look down your badness. So I'm gonna keep trying to get at girls to a more in-person thing. Instead of like messaging them. I'm probably gonna even delete them off of my social media. Because like what sense really? Like what is sense? I was on some weak nigga shit back then when I followed those girls too, to be honest. I'm a man now, I'm not about the weak nigga stuff no more. Yeah, we're following this whole bunch of girls. I don't even know them. Liking the picture for what? You're moving weak to the flesh, bro. When you're doing that, you're really moving weak to the flesh. I'm gonna start following people that can inspire me to achieve my goals and all of that. Me looking at some girl picture that doesn't inspire me to be great. It doesn't actually. Or even those type of, they don't really inspire me to be great. So I want to delete all of them, bro. And just live life differently, you know? Yeah, because I'm not weak to the flesh no more. That's when I was in my college days or high school days. You know, I'm a changed man. I'm different these days. You heard me? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I wanted to go for a walk real quick. Cause sometimes when you, this light is really nice. Sometimes when you lock up in the house for too long, you feel trapped like a rat, you know. And then you have another light here. This one is yellow. This is nice. Then this one down here. I have another one. This is the last one. This one is green. For the money team, you know. Yeah. This is your man out here, you know. Just gonna walk home. Have a nice little sign here. Okay, yeah. You dig? I'm gonna go back home now. I just came for a little walk, quick little walk. I enjoy my little look, full of my eyes, see some nice cars passing by and all of that, you know. Yeah, so heading home now.